Hallo zusammen, herzlich willkommen bei Liebe Deutsch. Ich bin Anshika. So, this video is going to be very useful for German language beginners because in this video I am going to tell you the most common phrases which every German language beginner should know. And also, these are the most common phrases used in Germany by German people. So, are you also thinking what are these phrases? Let's discuss. So, first phrase, thank you. Vielen Dank. If you want to say thank you so much, you can also use vielen lieben Dank. Thank you so much, vielen lieben Dank. Thank you, vielen Dank. Also, so what should be the reply of thank you? You're welcome. Bitte schön. You're welcome. Bitte schön. So as you can see in schön, it's O umlaut. The sound of O umlaut is ill. Schön. Okay. Next. I am really sorry. Es tut mir leid. I am really sorry. Es tut mir leid. So what should be the reply of es tut mir leid? It's okay. In German, es ist in Ordnung. Also you can say es ist okay. Repeat after me so that you will also learn these. Es ist in Ordnung. Es ist okay. Now, if you want to say see you later, bis später. See you later, bis später. So as you can see in später, A umlaut. The sound of A umlaut is A. Okay, bis später. If you want to say see you soon, bis bald. See you soon, bis bald. So the next phrase is what's up? Alles klar? What's up? Alles klar? As you can see in WhatsApp, there is a question mark. So whenever you say alles klar, please ask this because this is a question. Please ask this in a question pronunciation as alles klar. Okay. So what should be the answer of alles klar? I am all right. Ich bin gut. I am all right. Ich bin gut. Also you can say ganz gut. Ganz gut. And if you are not well, so you can say not well. In German, nicht gut. Nicht gut. Okay? If somebody wants to say take care, what can you say? Mach's gut. Mach's gut. Okay? So these were the common phrases in German language. Please try to speak again and again. Please practice it in front of the mirror so you will also master these common phrases. Also, please try to use these common phrases with your friends, siblings and parents so you will never forget that. So, if you want more German language learning videos, please subscribe my channel. Also, please press that bell icon so you will stay tuned with my new videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day.